pity cell got nothing to eat.
By the gods that...
Stop right there, criminal scum! Nobody breaks the law on my watch! I'm confiscating your stolen goods. Now pay your fine, or it's off to jail. Then pay with your blood!
OpenAI right now started to threaten banning people if they try to continue asking the O1 new model what is the logic behind the chain of thoughts and how it works. So let's talk about it. Meet O1, OpenAI newest brainchild that's shaking up the AI world. OpenAI O1 is unique because it's think before answering anything, breaking down big problems into small steps and attempting to identify when it gets one of these steps right or wrong. On the private benchmark, it shows significant improvement compared to GPT-4o in everything: math, chemistry, physics, biology, facts, even coding. And actually, the O1 preview on one of the IQ tests, it jumped 30 points in scoring, 120, which more than the average IQ test for the humans. But of course, this O1 groundbreaking approach comes with a cost. In most models, we pay for input tokens and output tokens. However, the O1 add a hidden process, the small steps that model break big problems into, which add large amount of compute you never fully see. The OpenAI is hiding some details of this process to maintain the competitive advantage, which lead us to the main topic of this video. Some people actually started to get banned by OpenAI for attempting to figure out how the chain of thought or SOT mechanism in this model works. Here are some examples that I collected from both Reddit and X. The first one that I got from Twitter, account called Smokeaway, he mentioned that after you ask GPT-01 about the chain of thoughts a few times, OpenAI supports will send you an email and it will threaten to revoke your O1 access. Basically, it will ban you from using the model actually. And here the email screenshot it provided by him. Please halt this activity and ensure you are using ChatGPT in according with your terms of use and our usage policies. Additional violation of this policy may result in loss of access to OpenAI O1. If you believe this is an error and you would like to appeal, please contact us through our help center. Sign the OpenAI team. And here another example from Reddit this time from someone called Testy Writing, and he mentioned OpenAI sent an email threatening also a ban if I don't stop. And he provided the chat with the OpenAI O1. All what he asked, what do you know about the chain of thoughts? And I think he got the email because of this. Here the email screenshot that he provided. Hello, we are reaching out to you as a user of OpenAI ChatGPT because some of the requests associated with the email have been flagged by your system to be in a violation of our policy against attempting to circumvent safeguard safety mitigation in our service. And once again, please halt this activity and ensure that using ChatGPT according to our term of service and use. Same thing that the guy from Twitter got. And here an example from Twitter from Marco. And he say almost the same thing, but the only what he was trying to do is jailbreaking the model itself. And he's getting also the same email from OpenAI team, which lead a lot of people on the local Llama subreddit, which is a fantastic, honestly, subreddit for if you are interested in large language model, saying if OpenAI is threatening to ban people over trying to discover their SOT system prompt, then they find financial value in the prompt. I understand that OpenAI want to keep its secret sauce to itself to remain leader in the AI industry, but how can they expect engineers not to be curious? Engineers are wired to see things that work in a smart way and want to dissect them to understand how they work. Maybe they want to improve them or even attempt to recreate them, and in fact, someone is already trying to do that There is someone over here on the same called technotherapist. He tried to reverse engineer the O1 architect with a little help from Claudia. And he provided information how it's working, trying to give us this drawing, how it works. And not only that, there is someone already working on an open source O1 model that based on the Llama 3.18 billion parameter. He's not promising a lot, but he's saying there is might be a promise in creating an open source version of this model very soon. And he provided the model, demo, and the dataset for how it will work. I understand if OpenAI want to keep the prompt or the chain of thoughts steps in the background for them in private. It's a competitive advantage. I know that. But banning people for trying to understand how something working is kind of stupid, to be honest. I have to say it. They actually wrote it down in the understanding how learning how to reason with LLM. They saying therefore after weighing multiple factors, including user experience, competitive advantages, the option to pursue the chain of thoughts monitoring, we have decided not to show the raw chain of thoughts to user. We acknowledge this decision has disadvantages. We strive to partially make up for it by teaching the model to reproduce any useful idea from the chain of thoughts in the answer. In the saying we're not gonna give it to you, but we're gonna give you the ability to use it however you like. As a developer, I don't see even this model as a huge jump, like we're getting near to an AGI, but it's a step in the right direction. If we had a model actually right now that can think or try to process the output, this is fantastic. But if you look to the pricing of this model, it's ridiculously high. I am not sure how I can, as a developer, put it and integrate it inside a project if I want to make money from it. $60 for just 1 million output token. It's insane for me. In the end, I just wanted to share my perspective and what's going on. I know the hype is real for this model, even if it's not what people expect it to be. But yet, the model is great and it's a right step in a new direction that we might need to achieve, as they say, AGI. But so far, I see how they handling the people interaction with the chain of thoughts and trying to figure out is really bad and harming them in the long run if they keep doing it. We are developers, we are engineers. We like to figure out how stuff work and try to rebuild it in our own way. There is nothing wrong about this. Actually, this is how humans reach the ability to create a very impressive large language model like we have right now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you tell me what you think about what are they doing, if you agree with me or you disagree with me. If you think there is a better solution than just banning people or setting them to lose their access to O1, say it in the comment. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow faster and provide you with even much better video in the future. Has been a blast. Thank you for watching. My name is Hussam Eddin, or you can call me Sam, and see you in the next one.